Hey guys, Jonathan Rose here. We're going to review the week like we do every Friday, and we're going to do that with 4 charts. So here we go. In front of you, I've got the S&P futures, 2s, 10s. What we're doing here is we're following the yield curve. A stock called Keys, a major 5G player, and then the 4 U's. Uranium. I'm extremely bullish uranium. Let's go through each one of these charts to review the week. Starting with the S&Ps. S&Ps, over the weekend, past weekend, gapped up. That was after the G20. That was after the White House came out and says, we had some phenomenal talks with the Chinese. And all they did was they pushed tariffs back for 3 months. China, in turn, agreed to possibly buy more agricultural products, but they kicked the can down the road. Nothing happened. We held the Monday class. It was right here that I said this was the easiest futures trade that I've seen in a very long time, selling S&P futures, buying spider puts. Either one. For my skeptics out there, right up here, you can watch a clip from that class. Also, yesterday we held a flash class. It was a 45-minute class that reviewed the market. I wanted to get all the members live because the market was down 700 points and many were confused about their position. If you want to review that class, I'll leave a link in the upper right-hand corner for that as well. S&Ps sold off, not really a big surprise. They rallied, they bounced. Things are looking weak, guys. Things are not looking too good. The arrest of the Huawei executive, that's like an executive from Apple or Google getting arrested in China. That's a really big deal. That's not going to improve relations. That's not going to improve tariff talks. What we've been following very closely is 2s, 10s. It's the yield curve. The yield curve is flat. The yield curve is getting dangerous closely to inverting. If you want to follow the yield curve, I strongly suggest you follow 2s, 10s. You can do that by doing 2 times the 2-year minus the 10-year. On Thinkorswim, it's just 2 times /ZT minus /ZN. It'll show you the yield curve. As the yield curve goes lower, the market will continue to go lower. In order for the market to stabilize, we're going to need 2s, 10s to stabilize right now. It's a key indicator for us. A great way to find strong stocks is to see what stocks were holding up well in the big down move in equities. Because overall, if the market's down 10%, everything's got a beta of 1. Everything's going to follow along with the market. That's just how these things work. Keysight Technologies, Keys, it's a trade that I shared a couple of weeks ago. We bought the stock at 57. We sold the 60 calls. Some people sold the 65 calls, doing a covered call spread. This trade's working out beautifully. And what you'll notice is, even with the market turning down, Keys is holding up fantastic. It's a great way to play the very hot 5G sector. I love being long Keys stock. My favorite trade, my favorite sector to be long right now is uranium, specifically the 4 U's. The membership, I share 2 other trades that get us long uranium. We originally shared this at $2.40. It rallied up to $4. It is a beautiful trade, holding up phenomenally well. I love holding a core position in the 4 U's. I think it goes over 5. That's what we're looking at. For those who took advantage of that Monday futures trade, what a week. For others, trade a balanced portfolio. Some longs, some shorts. You don't want to just be long stock. That's not trading. That's longer term investing. You need to be committed to that position if that's your approach. But traders, we don't care if the market goes up. We don't care if the market goes down. We just want to find good value, put ourselves in the best opportunity to make a little bit of money. Hope that helps. Any questions? Leave a comment below. If you would, give it a like. Enjoy the weekend. My name's Jonathan Rose, owner of Active Day Trader.